Meaning of frankincense.
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 Frankincense. Frankincense is a type of resin obtained from the boswellia tree that is commonly used in incense and perfumes. The name frankincense comes from the Old French word frankincense, meaning high-quality incense. It has been used for thousands of years in religious and spiritual contexts, as well as for medicinal purposes. The resin is known for its pleasant and powerful aroma, which is said to have a calming effect on the mind and body. In addition, frankincense has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable natural remedy for various ailments.